Aromatic herbs are not just flavor enhancers, they are powerful allies in culinary wellness. Herbs such as basil, rosemary, thyme, and mint do more than elevate the taste of dishes. They offer an array of health benefits that promote overall well-being. Basil is rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties, making it a perfect addition to salads and sauces. Rosemary can enhance memory and concentration while being a fantastic seasoning for meats and vegetables. Thyme is known for its antiseptic qualities and is excellent in soups and stews, aiding digestion. Mint not only refreshes but also soothes the stomach and aids in digestion, often used in teas and desserts. Incorporating these aromatic herbs into your meals can boost your nutrient intake and provide medicinal benefits. Moreover, they can help reduce the need for excessive salt and sugar, making your dishes healthier. To reap the maximum benefits, consider growing your own herbs. This ensures freshness and encourages mindful cooking. So, as you venture into the world of culinary wellness, remember that these herbs are your essential partners in creating delicious, nutritious meals that nourish both body and soul.